So as many of you know, the reason that I've been slow to post over the past couple of weeks is that I have a brand new baby. And if you have a baby too, here's a couple of products that you should not live without, such as this LB Tech Easy View Digital Baby Monitor, which allows you to monitor and even talk to your babies in the other room. Let me demonstrate. It's awesome. You just hold this button down. What's he doing? What's he doing? I'm just kidding. This has two cameras, comes with two cameras. I'm going to switch to the other baby before my wife comes in and gets mad. You just press this button like this. Daddy's coming. Don't judge me. Alright guys, on a serious note, besides this Boudreaux's butt paste here, this guy is indispensable. This Galoho butt wipe warmer. The last thing you want when you come out of the womb is to have a freezing cold butt wipe put on your bottom, your rosy little bottom. This thing heats these things up so nice and toasty. It is a dream for your baby's ultimate comfort. Did you got puppies? How's that feel? That's nice and warm, huh? That's nice and warm. That's a good girl. What? So besides my Bangin' Olufsen video that I posted last week, I've taken a week off of posting videos, and here's why. We had a new addition to the Rated R Cars family, an addition that was 8 pounds 8 ounces, and who is drinking so much milk he's up to 10 pounds now and sporting a nice double chin like daddy. Future Mustang driver there, fellas. And when he's old enough, hopefully we still have naturally aspirated V8s. So sleep has been infrequent. Yeah, I'm growing the beard out again. And with the imminent lockdown, I'll have plenty of time to watch it grow. And speaking of lockdowns, so it seems like this might not be the safest time to be having a baby. In fact, it might be a challenging time to have a baby, not just with the fallenness of the world in general lately, but with coronavirus. And I know you're all tired of hearing about COVID-19. It's plastered all over the news all day. You're getting news alerts on your cell phone all day long. I get it, but I wanted to connect with you guys and just let you know what's going on in my world and get some feedback to learn what's going on in yours. By the way, in a few minutes, I'm going to be sharing with you an exclusive video from my friend shared from her family over in Italy. It's going to freak you out. Sit tight. So I'm in a high-risk area. I work in White Plains, New York, which is right near New Rochelle, which is a hot spot for coronavirus, and it's currently under quarantine. Here's some signs they've posted around the office. It's literally like living in a movie. My office did announce that we're going to start working from home. This was last week, so I'm working from home now. I live right on the border of Westchester, New York, which is getting nailed pretty hard. I've been pretty non-panicky about this virus outbreak, but recently it's been skyrocketing. A couple of weeks ago it was in 2 states, now it's in 49 states. I heard this virus can actually live in the air for up to 3 hours, and that package that just got delivered to your doorstep, coronavirus can live on that for more than 3 days, so be sure to disinfect. I mean, at the very least, you don't want to get a nasty, hard-hitting 4 to 6 week long flu, right? So be careful out there. Let's discuss in the comments below. Are you guys working from home? Did any of you guys lose your jobs? Let me know in the comments. So I'm going to be working from home, but I do have to venture out to get supplies. Here are some pictures of me having an adventure in our local grocery store. No frozen veggies, no toilet paper or tissues, no disinfectant or gloves, and a number of other completely sold out aisles. What is going on? Because seriously, what the hell is going on with all this toilet paper?
I just want 1 pack. No, not 1 pack.
Chill, people. People survived without toilet paper for thousands of years before it was invented. I'm trying to think of good ways to enter out into the exclusion zone and then come back and disinfect before I enter my house with a newborn child and a kindergartner. This is my disinfecting zone. Every time I go out into the exclusion zone, as it were, everything I come back with has to be disinfected. My coat, my shoes, stuff is staying outside permanently. I'm disinfecting with Lysol. I actually paid $106 for 6 cans of this on eBay. But you gotta do what you gotta do in desperate times. So I'm using that to disinfect everything. Even the mail's getting disinfected. Packages that have arrived. Doom Eternal is even waiting outside. Doom Eternal has to wait outside. Screw you, coronavirus. All face masks are sold out, but I did find this on Amazon, which I just ordered. It has N95 filters. N95 blocks the virus. So if you're buying masks, first of all, Godspeed getting one. Trying to find a respirator mask on Amazon, and everything is currently unavailable. Currently unavailable. The reason I'm looking for this is because if there's one for 187 bucks, these guys are really just price gouging. The reason I'm looking for these is because if it does blow up and you can't even leave the house without inhaling the virus, when you go to the grocery store, I've got a 2-week-old baby and a kindergartner, so I gotta protect the family. Look at these, currently unavailable. You can't get anything. March 27th to April 3rd. This one's only 57 bucks, and it comes with some of the filters. And if you do find them, try to get the N95 ones because they block the virus. I just paid over $100 for 6 cans of Lysol. You know what they say about desperate times. All this price gouging is ridiculous, and it's beneath us as humans. Stop it, people. Why do you need to make a 9,000 profit margin on a roll of toilet paper? Where's your sense of esprit de corps, brotherhood, camaraderie? Come on, people. Anyway, I'm selling this if you're interested for $200 a bottle. I need turbos for my GT350. What's your excuse? Last week, my town declared a state of emergency. We had a handful of cases. Now we're in the hundreds, and we've got 5 deaths. God rest their souls. If you want to know how bad it could get out here, check out this video that my friend sent me from her family who lives in Italy. This is Venice, Italy. If you've ever been here like I have, this place is always mobbed 24/7. I've been here. Seeing it like this is so surreal. It's literally like the movie I Am Legend, but without the zombies. Very eerie. Just listen to the silence. Dude, New York City is going to be like this any minute now, seriously. So what are you guys going to be doing in your homes during the outbreak? I'm going to be practicing social distancing, and this, by the way, is one of the best ways to do it. If your wife's asking you why you're going out on a long ride, I am social distancing, woman. As you can tell, I cut my own hair. Won't you join me for this disaster? Alright guys, what do you do when the coronavirus shuts down all stores around you, including your barbers? I have no idea what I'm doing. I've never cut my own hair or anyone else's, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Let's get to it. Maybe I should get a mullet. How's it looking, bruh? No! It was all going so well. And then I had the good idea. Let's put this on 9 and go like this. Yeah. I can never be seen in public again. Here's how we ended up. Not bad for my first haircut. Not good, but not bad. Alright guys, let me know what you're going to be doing to pass the time. I, for one, have a 2-week-old as well as a kindergartner who's home from school, so I'm not going to have a lot of time to play Doom Eternal. But I do have some tech reviews that I'm going to be gearing up for, and I will post those to help you pass the time if you're interested. I have a couple of big videos coming up soon, so stay tuned, be safe, and always be kinder than necessary. See you in the next one.